In today's video, I'm going to teach you set up UPI payment on Shopify in 2025. By the end, you'll have UPI enabled through two popular providers, so customers in India can pay quickly and securely. Let's get started from your Shopify admin. First, open your Shopify admin dashboard. From here, head straight into Settings, and then open the Payment section. This is where all your payment providers live and where you'll add new ones. Choose Add Payment Method. In the search area, type UPI to filter compatible options. When you see the UPI category appear, select it to view providers that support it. From this list, choose Pong Checkout. That opens the provider details page so you can review what's offered. Follow the on-screen prompt on that page to continue. Some providers may require verification or a separate account later. That's normal, and you can complete any extra steps once the connection is in place. Now head back to Payments and choose Add Payment Method again. Type UPI in the search field once more. If you see a toggle or link to search by payment method, select that to refine the results. Pick the UPI category again to focus your choices, then select Pay Dollar, Normal. Click Install to begin connecting it to your store, and confirm the installation when Shopify asks for permissions. You'll be redirected to the provider's setup page to finish. On the Pay Dollar setup page, review the information shown and proceed through the fields. If there's a language selector, choose English to keep things clear. Enter the requested details exactly as provided by the provider, such as any required merchant or account information. Make sure everything matches your business records to avoid verification delays. If you see checkboxes for options or agreements, review them and enable what you need for UPI acceptance. Continue through the prompts on the page, keeping an eye out for any highlights that indicate fields you must complete. When everything is filled out and confirmed, select Submit to finalize the connection. That's the full setup flow. After submitting, return to your Shopify payment settings and give the page a quick refresh. You should now see Pong Checkout and Pay Dollar Normal listed under your additional payment methods with UPI supported. If either shows as pending, simply complete any remaining verification requested by the provider. For best results, keep your store's business details accurate and consistent across Shopify and the provider's portal. Once everything is active, you're ready to accept UPI at checkout, offering customers a